महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Dear students, in today's video session we are going to discuss about the formula. The simplest representation of a molecule by using symbols of atoms is called formula. The simplest representation of a molecule by using symbols of atoms is called formula. For example, aluminium sulfate. Molecule has two parts. One is basic radical and another one is acidic radical. Al3 plus SO4 2 minus. Al3 plus is the cation, SO4 2 minus is the anion. Now Al3 SO4 2 and the formula is Al2 SO4 whole thrice. Al2 SO4 whole thrice. Number of ions is equal to 2Al3 plus and 3 SO4 2 minus is equal to 5 ions, Okay. Homework. Please do this homework. Write down the molecular formula of the followings and also calculate the number of ions. Write down the molecular formula of the followings and also calculate the number of ions. A. Calcium chloride. Calcium Ca2 plus is the cation, Cl minus is the anion, and the formula is CaCl2, and CaCl2 has 1 Ca2 plus and 2 Cl minus, hence number of ions is equal to 3. B, potassium ferrocyanide, potassium K plus, ferrocyanide FeCN whole 6 4 minus, hence the formula is K4, FeCN whole 6 whole 1, and the number of ions is equal to 5 because 4 potassium ions are there and 1 ferrocyanide ion is there. C, calcium phosphate. D, sodium sulfate. E, ferrocyanide. Ferrocyanide. Do this homework carefully. Important physics terms used in basic concepts of chemistry for better understanding. A, you know about volume. Volume is a physical quantity. V is equal to L cube. Length into breadth into height, and all are length, hence dimensional formula is L cube. V is equal to L cube. CGS unit, length centimeter cube, or it is also called cc, cubic centimeter, or it is called ml. Ml means milliliter. CGS unit. MKS unit, meter, kilogram, second unit. It is centimeter, gram, second unit. It is meter cube. Notebook. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power 3 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power 3 liters. Okay. 1 dm cube, it means 1 decimeter cube. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter cube. 10 to the power 3 cm cube. 10 to the power 3 ml, because cm cube is equal to ml, and it is nothing but 1 liter, that is 1 LT. Okay. One milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power 3 liters. 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. B, density. D, density. D, D is equal to mass by volume. Mass is m, volume is L cube. CGS unit. CGS unit for mass, gram. per cm cube. MKS unit kg per meter cube, kg per meter cube. Notebook, you have to remember the density of two species. One is water, one is water. At 4 degrees Celsius, it is found that density of water in CGS 1 gram per cm cube or 1 gram per ml. In MKS, it is found that (10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. You have to remember mercury. Mercury is 13.6 times heavier than water. Hence, in CGS, density of mercury is equal to 13.6 gram per cm cube. In MKS, 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Mercury is 13.6 times heavier than water at 4 degree Celsius. Okay. C. Temperature. SI unit. SI unit means International System Unit, and International System is the largest unit system used in science. SI unit of temperature is equal to Kelvin, K, or degree absolute. Degree absolute. Degree absolute. Okay. X degree Celsius is equal to 273 plus X Kelvin. For example, 100 degree Celsius, 273 plus 100 Kelvin is equal to 373 Kelvin. Okay. D. Pressure. P. P is equal to force by area. Force by area. Force into distance. Force into distance by area into distance. Distance is multiplied and distance is divided. Then it is nothing but work by volume. Work by volume. Work by volume. CGS unit of pressure. CGS unit of pressure. Force dyne. Area cm square. Area is nothing but length square, cm square. MKS unit. MKS unit. Force Newton per meter square is equal to another thing. Dyne per cm square, force by area. Work by volume, work CGS unit, org by cm cube. Force by area, Newton per meter square. Work by volume, work joule meter cube. called Pascal. Called Pascal. Pascal is the MKS unit of pressure. MKS unit of pressure. Okay. Pressure is measured in barometer by using mercury column, as mercury does not stick the glass. Mercury does not stick the glass, so that the observation is better. Barometer is derived from the word bar, and 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power 5 pascals. 10 to the power 5 pascals. Largest unit of pressure used in science is equal to atmospheric pressure. In shortcut, it is ATM pressure, atmospheric pressure. An interesting point. Definition for ATM pressure. Definition for ATM pressure. It is very interesting. Listen and understand carefully. Water liquid changes to water vapors, means liquid is converted into vapors, vapor is converted into liquid at equal rate, and this is called the equilibrium condition. That is, the forward reaction and the backward reaction take place at equal rate, and it happens at 100 degrees Celsius, called the boiling point of water, the boiling point of the water. And remember, the pressure exerted by water vapors, at the boiling point of water is called 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay. The pressure exerted by water vapors at boiling point of water is called 1 atm pressure. The pressure exerted by water vapors at boiling point of water is called 1 atmospheric pressure. When a barometer is placed in this condition, the height of the mercury column becomes 76 centimeter. becomes 76 centimeter. Hence 1 atm pressure is nothing but 76 centimeter mercury. 76 centimeter mercury column. 760 millimeter mercury column. 760 torr, because 1 millimeter mercury column exerts a pressure in barometer called torr. Okay. When it is measured, it becomes 101325 pascals, that is 1.013. 25 can be neglected, into 10 to the power 5 pascals. 1.013 10 to the power 5 pascal is equal to bar, that is approximately 1 bar. Approximately. Hence 1 atmospheric pressure is slightly greater than that of bar, and 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 1.013 bar. Okay. How is it 101325 pascals? Okay, we can use the concept of physics. P is equal to force by area. Force is nothing but weight by area. Weight is nothing but mass into acceleration due to gravity. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity by area is equal to mgh by area into h. Now P is equal to mgh by v. Area into height is equal to volume, is equal to mass by volume is equal to density, and it is measured in mercury column. Hence it is density of the mercury into z into h. H is equal to height of the mercury column. Okay. Now for 1 atm pressure, P is equal to dZh. Density of mercury in MKS unit 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Z value 9.8 kg per meter cube. It is meter per second square. Height in meter in MKS. 76 centimeter is equal to 0.76 meter. It is in SI or MKS. It is in MKS. It is also in MKS, and it is approximately 101325 pascals approximately. All are in MKS unit, hence pressure is also in MKS unit. Okay. Notebook. For pressure, largest unit atm, then bar, then centimeter mercury, then millimeter mercury, or torr, then pascal. because 760 torr is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to this much. 1 torr is equal to 101325 by 760 Pascal. Okay, which is greater than 1 Pascal. Okay. E. It is very interesting and confusing also. Okay. NTP. Full form normal temperature and pressure. Normal temperature 0 degree Celsius to 73 Kelvin. Normal pressure is 1 atm pressure. It is called the NTP condition. Another condition is STP, standard temperature and pressure. Okay, here temperature is equal to 0 degree Celsius to 73 Kelvin, but pressure is equal to 1 bar. Okay, and 1 atmosphere pressure is slightly greater than that of 1 bar, but they are approximately equal. Hence in many books NTP similar to STP, but NTP not equal to STP. Okay, not equal to STP. Z, standard conditions. It is not STP. Here temperature is equal to 25 degree Celsius to 73 plus 25 is equal to 298 Kelvin. Pressure is equal to 1 bar, and it is called the standard condition. Generally these three conditions are used in science. One is NTP, another one is STP, and another one is standard condition. Okay students, hope you are following this video session. Be safe, be careful. Thank you.